If you've been searching for fitness apps lately, there's a good chance you've seen MadMuscles. Because honestly, it's one of the fitness apps that has been heavily promoted online, especially through social media, adds fitness recommendations, and personalized workout quizzes. But the big question is MadMuscles actually legit in 2026? Or is it just another fitness app making big promises? So in this video, we're going to take a closer look at MadMuscles, including how it works, its main features, the pros, cons, and whether it's worth considering. First, what is MadMuscles? MadMuscles is a fitness and workout platform designed to provide personalized workout plans based on fitness goals, body type, activity level, and user preferences. The platform aims to help users with goals such as weight loss muscle, building body toning, and general fitness. According to the company, users answer a series of questions and then receive a customized fitness plan. Now, let's talk about the biggest reason people try it: convenience. Because, honestly, many people don't know how to create a workout plan on their own. MadMuscles attempts to simplify that process by generating structured programs that users can follow directly from their phones. For beginners, this can feel much less overwhelming than building a routine from scratch. Now let's talk about workout content, because the app includes different exercises and training plans depending on the user's selected goals. Many fitness apps now use similar systems where workouts are adjusted based on experience level, available equipment, and desired results. And honestly, having structure can help people stay more consistent. Now, another feature people often mention: progress tracking, because fitness apps typically allow users to monitor workouts, completed body changes, goals, and activity history. And honestly, tracking progress can help keep motivation high over time. Now, let's talk about the question many people ask: is MadMuscles a scam? Based on available information, MadMuscles appears to be a real fitness service with an active platform and paying users. So calling it a scam would not be accurate. However, that does not automatically mean every user will be satisfied, because honestly, fitness apps receive mixed reviews just like most subscription services. Some users report positive experiences with workout guidance, convenience, and structured plans, while others may have complaints related to subscriptions, expectations, or personal results. And that's fairly common across the fitness app industry. So let's talk about expectations, because this is where many people get disappointed. No fitness app can magically create results on its own. Whether it's MadMuscles or any other platform, results still depend on consistency, nutrition, effort, and time. And honestly, that's something no app can replace. Now, another important thing: always review pricing carefully before subscribing, because subscription services can include monthly plans, longer-term memberships, or recurring billing. Before purchasing, make sure you understand pricing, renewal, terms, cancellation options, and trial conditions, because honestly, many negative reviews for apps come from billing misunderstandings rather than the actual service itself. Now let's talk about who might benefit from MadMuscles. The app may be useful for people who want workout structure, prefer guided programs like fitness tracking, and want something accessible from their phone, especially beginners who may not know where to start. Now, on the other hand, people who already have advanced training knowledge, custom coaching, or highly specialized fitness goals may prefer more personalized approaches. Now, let's be honest for a second. The fitness app market is extremely competitive in 2026, and honestly, there is no single app that's perfect for everyone. The best fitness app is usually the one that helps you stay consistent, because consistency matters far more than downloading the newest program. So to wrap this up, MadMuscles appears to be a legitimate fitness app rather than a scam. It offers personalized workout plans, fitness tracking, goal-based programs, and structured guidance. But like any fitness platform, your results will depend heavily on effort, consistency, and realistic expectations. Because honestly, no app can replace the work required to reach your fitness goals.